Strategies for the English 10 test. Today our target question is, do I know how to eliminate answers that don't match to make the test easier? Which objects are not associated with a whiteboard? Pause the video and talk with a partner about which objects would you eliminate. Great! Your partner and you should have eliminated the chalk, the pencil, and the construction paper. The only thing associated with a whiteboard is the markers. Let's do an actual study of elimination based upon what we just did. Notice we took out what did not seem likely or a part of the answer. That's a strategy that often test takers use. It's removing unlikely answers based upon the question. However, sometimes you can't eliminate enough answers and there's more than one answer that still remains. You must choose the best answer when this happens. Let's do a practice problem. Pause the video and with a partner discuss what you can eliminate in order to get you to the answer. Great! You and your partner should have been able to eliminate 3 items to leave you with answer choice A. You should have noticed that it said root word, which means that that's going to have the same letters inside of the word that we're talking about. So that makes us eliminate B, because it has the US on it. C, because it actually doesn't even say VER. And D. So that just leaves us with A. Great job. Now let's actually do some actual problems using the same process of eliminating. Pause the video as you work with a partner to try and figure out the answer to this one. Great job! When you come up with the answer D, you got the right answer. And you should have been able to eliminate some of the options based upon the actual sentence. Based on the fact that it said a promise a capital production, we could probably eliminate lengthy. We probably could even eliminate elaborate. But we might think cost and capital are still the same thing, so A and D would have been our options. But considering it's talking about a actual production, outstanding would have been a better choice. Great job. Let's do another practice problem. Pause the video and discuss with your partner after you've eliminated some answer choices. Great job again. The answer is D. You should have been able to eliminate B and C. He's trying to get a job, so A History of a Musical is not about getting a job, and The Best Plays on Broadway is not about getting a job. But working in theater could have been possibly an answer, but auditioning tips from the pros would have definitely be a better choice if I'm trying out for a part. Great job. Let's do another one. Pause the video and work with your partner to find the answer. Yes, you are on a roll. The answer is B. To lie in a sheltered location. The hard part of this one is that every last definition was in the answer choice. So we had to really look at the wording inside of the sentence to let us know that we were talking about a location and not a snuggly or comfortable place. And we weren't drawing something closer to ourselves. Might have thought about D, but location was definitely evident by them saying a house nestled. Great job. Let's do another one. Pause the video and discuss with your partner what answer choice you think it is. Yes, again, B is the right answer. You should have been able to definitely eliminate cooperation and determination because mindless was in front of it. So that left you with A or B, and the better choice is B. Let's do the last problem. Pause the video until you and your partner have come up with an answer. You guys are the best. The answer is D. However, was the big signal to let you know that something is changing. And so that definitely helps us eliminate A and sequential. But we might have thought of unrelated. And we still could even thought of A since it said new. But contrasting is meaning that I'm actually switching. So D would be the better answer. But you should have definitely been able to eliminate 2 and look at the other 2 as options. Great job. Great work on test taking strategies. Remember, we're going to continue to work on different strategies to help us with the EOY and our other related exams. See you next time.